Hello lovelies, how are we all doing today? So I do have another haul to show you. It's from the Abbott Lyon Collective. So I am part of the Abbott Lyon Collective now. I'm going to leave my link. I might actually just leave my storefront. You can actually shop through my storefront and you can see all the goodies that I picked up. Like I said in previous videos, these two items here and another necklace I've got, I've had them years at this point. This one is the newest one. I think that I've had that for about 2 years and this one probably about 3. Anyway, I did get another necklace and they gave me my first credit. I did get another necklace. It's a personalised necklace, so it's just took a little bit longer to get here. I've had quite a few bits and pieces which you've seen already. But let me show you. You know what these boxes look like. They're very plain on the outside. I think it's a really good idea that they are so plain on the outside, just because we don't want people getting into them. So yeah, I'm not showing you the other side. It's got my address on, and then on the inside it's not so plain. It's so pretty. Right, so it's just one thing, but it's quite expensive. And when I saw this, I knew that I wanted it, and the fact that you could personalise it. I want to talk about the personalisation, but I want to show you the piece first. So normal Abbott Lyon packaging there. I think what I'm going to have to do though is take this off. I still do want to use the A. Take this off. I'll have a spare necklace then. This necklace is really nice. It's got like little balls on it. But I want to wear this necklace, this new necklace and pendant for a while. So, comes like that, and then, oh, this is so pretty, guys. I might have to zoom in to show you. Yeah, let's zoom in. It's a little robin. That's my mum's birthstone. I should have really got, let's zoom out. I should have really got my birthstone, considering what's on the back of it. So, I've got epilepsy. And they don't do medical IDs at Abbott Lyon. I have reached out to them and asked them if they're going to be doing them in the future, and a customer service rep did say that she was going to pass what I said, because I think things like this, I mean, medical IDs are life-saving, and obviously with this one, nobody's going to know. Obviously I've got epilepsy, they're not going to know to turn it over, because the medical ID has like a logo on it, doesn't it? Whereas this just looks like a everyday necklace. It's a little robin, like I said. So I've asked them if in the future they are going to do the medical IDs. I really hope they do. Abbott Lyon, if you're listening, I know so many people, you would be saving so many people's lives if you brought them in. And most jewellers, I thought the Greenstone had gone then, most jewellers do actually do medical IDs as well. So let me show you on the back of this. So let's zoom in, and all it says is I have epilepsy and then Epilim 200. That's the medication that I'm on. It's really nice. I went for a different necklace this time, so I went for this twisted rope necklace. I mean, come on, how can you not say that's stunning? So I think I had a £50 credit and this was 79, so I had to put some money towards it, and I'm sure I got some money off it as well. It's worth every single penny. I feel just that little bit safer wearing it. I mean, my last seizure was when I was 21. I'm 48 years old now, so having a seizure is not likely for me, but like for other people who have seizures a lot, and it's not just for epilepsy, there's other seizure disorders. There's people with diabetes, people with asthma, you know. I think people would really buy these if Abbott Lyon like kind of made a little logo here next to the robin and made it like for paramedics and doctors, made it known that there was a medical issue. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. I need to try and get this on. I do have a sore arm. So like I said, I'm going to take this one off. We're gonna try and put this one on again. Zoom in. So stunning. And there we have it on. I think I could put my other necklace on. So I've got like a curved necklace. But yeah, this is what the robin necklace looks like. It is called a robin coin necklace. So yeah, I'm really liking the jewellery that I've got of late from Abbott Lyon. So rings, I think I've shown these before. We've got a knot ring here. We've got the bold statement ring here, which is molten gold, which goes with this necklace here. And then this was a freebie. So this one is the Doodles heart ring, I think. Most jewellery on Abbott Lyon come in gold, silver and rose gold. I've not really got a lot of gold in my jewellery collection. I've got quite a lot of silver. So, like, when they asked me to be a part of the Abbott Lyon collective, I decided to go down the more gold route. Yeah, stunning. I'm really, really happy with it. It was definitely worth the wait.